换这个屏幕的这个电池呢，就主要是拆这个胶。这个胶如果是拆得好了，这个电池基本上就是分分钟就换好了，非常的简单。
How can we safely remove the battery? What we are dismantling now is the iPhone 7 Auto. The battery has already expanded. The first step. Let's first remove the vibrator below the battery. Why do we need to dismantle the vibrator? Because the vibrator is very compact with the battery. After removing the vibrator, we will have a wider space to remove this battery adhesive. So this is my suggestion. Completely remove this vibrator, as long as it's an iPhone model. The best way is to remove the vibrator first. Okay, we have removed the vibrator. Now we are using tweezers. Please watch the operation. This type of battery for iPhone, the adhesive on its back is a special material belonging to a type of graphite heat dissipation and thermal conductivity adhesive. Steps to remove this adhesive. Follow the techniques in the video. Using tweezers to roll back and forth, the thermal conductive adhesive will stretch longer and longer. Do not use too much force. Slowly and gently pull like this. Prevent battery glue from breaking inside. Some machine battery adhesives seem to have oxidized. It broke off with a gentle pull. It's very troublesome to handle. If you encounter a battery adhesive that is difficult to remove, alcohol can be used to remove it. On the back of the battery, usually, there are 2 such adhesive strips. Plus machine has 3 such adhesive strips. The original adhesive is very sticky, especially with swollen battery backs like this, so it must be handled very carefully. Don't poke the battery with sharp objects. The most important step in replacing the iPhone battery is to remove the battery adhesive. If this step is done perfectly, it's easy to remove the battery. Okay, we have already removed this battery. There is still some residual glue on this shell. Let's remove it. After removing the old battery, we need to install the vibrator back now. Okay, Apple's battery replacement is very simple. But I hope you still need to handle it carefully. Thank you for watching.